Shepherd's pie. There's a lot of way to do it. Every country have their own version, but here today we will keep it simple and delicious. So the ingredients for this are lamb, potato, carrot, celery, garlic, butter, frozen peas, onions, red wine. Okay, so the first thing we need to work on is the lamb. If you don't have this little thing here, it's a must because it's so cheap and you can grind your own meat at home. We want to trim a little bit of the fat here because we don't need that much fat. There's a tool to push the meat in. Don't use your finger. Be clever, eh? Okay, so we have the grounded lamb. Olive oil in a medium-high heat pan, just like that. And put the lamb in it. Whoa! So this is gonna be a big recipe. While this cook, we will work on the veggie we will put in that. So 2 onions, finely diced. Try to cut everything in the same size. So just slice the celery in 2, like this. Slice the carrot in half, and then slice it in a quarter, man. So as you can see now, there's no more lamb water in this. So we need just to fry it a little bit to put some color in it. It's gonna be golden and beautiful. So let's put the onion and the celery and the carrot. Oh, it's getting a nice fond right here. Put 4 cloves of garlic in this. The tomato paste. Add about 4 tablespoons. We have a classic thyme and rosemary. Add some salt. Oh, that was brand new. Oh yeah. Okay, add some salt. Yeah, that's worked better. And I guess this one too. Yeah. And add some pepper. And now we will have to deglaze le fond because all the flavor is in the fond. What wine do you use when you deglaze le fond? Not an expensive bottle, of course. I don't even know what this one is, but it was $10. Put half a bottle. I love the smell of wine in the morning. Okay, so now we let this simmer until the wine is all dissolved. Okay, as you can see, the wine is all dissolved now. So it's time to add the Wash Your Sister sauce.
Wow.
Okay, so now it's time to add the stock. So you can use beef stock, lamb stock, chicken stock. From this point on, we will simmer this for maybe 30 minutes. Potato! So you need about 2 kilos of peeled potato. Oh my, those are already peeled! This is my lucky day! Yay! Cut the potato in even cubes. Put your knife into it, and if it goes through like this, it's ready. Okay, when you have removed all the water from the potato, put the potato in the potato ricer. If you don't have this, you can use a masher, but this will make a nice texture. It's time to add a little bit of butter. Put some crème fraîche and go just a little bit at the time. Le Parmigiano Reggiano. Put some salt in it. Add some pepper. Just a tiny bit more of crème fraîche and it will be perfect. It's beautiful. Today I'm very, very sad because that was the last egg in the house. So I will just put one. I'm sorry. One for Papa Bear, one for Mama Bear, and one for Little Cutie Bear. Now let's put a layer of potato. With a fork, make some nice line like this. It's gonna be prettier when it's gonna come out of the oven. Hey boy. This will go in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Very good. This is very comforting. I love the gaminess of the lamb. All the aromatic in this. It's a very nice dish for winter. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode and maybe learn something. Please leave a like and share this video with your friends. See you in the next episode.